Hello everyone, I am Supreet and I am a senior research analyst at Graby. Well, today I am back with a new question for all of you. So, have you faced challenge in locating killer art for an old patent covering structural details? I am going to share how such a challenge can be solved and how you can reach to a killer art quickly. I will take example of printer domain where such type of old patents can create trouble, especially if the claim is not just limited by structural elements but also has well defined number of components mentioned, like number of print heads to be exactly 4 instead of broad claim language of type at least 4 print heads or 4 or more print heads. Now, the process of locating prior art for such structural details using permutation and combination of keywords or classes can appear daunting because of the mammoth sized literature available in the domain. Also, many a times the structural details are not written in a consistent wording. This can actually make the task like finding a needle in a haystack. In such scenarios, instead of searching for structural details directly, you can start looking for the benefits achieved and the problem being solved by structural modifications. The direction of locating the entities that were trying to solve the same problem or were trying to achieve similar benefits around the priority date of a patent can be an excellent starting point and can save you a lot of time. Let me share in detail how I use this technique. While working on such type of patent in printer domain, I plotted a timeline for the evolution of features getting introduced in the printers, and then went ahead to explore the companies trying to solve the underlying problem. This gave me not only the big companies but also some startups that were working on similar lines around early 2000s. Now, if you are wondering how to create such a timeline, exploring conferences, trade fairs, exhibitions, and forums related to printing can be your starting point. By tracking these, one can create timelines for companies coming in market, products getting launched, and the features getting introduced. In printer domain, one such example is Drupa. Drupa is a huge German exhibition and the big industry players from worldwide participate in this exhibition where they showcase their breakthroughs, new features and prototypes. So if something new comes in the industry, there is a good chance it can be tracked from Drupa. Thereafter, for locating more information on products and getting literature published by companies, you can use Web Archive. Starting with the strong signals about companies that were dealing with similar problem and were trying to provide similar benefits gives you a good head start and an opportunity to locate something from product literature or public events, and that too without spending a lot of time. Another benefit is you can get your hands on the product manuals and product demo videos that describe such structural aspects which otherwise are difficult to search. If you consider something as your secret sauce, share with me. And if you are dealing with a similar case where you need my views, then do let me know. Thank you.